Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, you're welcome. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious fried rice. It tastes so good, it tastes so yummy. Keep watching guys. Let's cook this together. Let me show you guys how I achieve this delicious pot of mede, okay? You don't want to miss this at all. You don't want to miss this. Okay guys, in this recipe I will be using coconut oil for my fried rice. Okay, in a pot I added about a teaspoon of coconut oil, then I added my diced onions, then I will be adding in some thyme. Okay, I will stir fry this for about 1 to 2 minutes just to infuse the flavor of the thyme inside the oil. Okay, tell me in the comment section, have you ever used coconut oil to cook your fried rice? If you haven't, please try this. It's very yummy. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'll add in my rice. Okay, I will be using basmati rice for my fried rice. Okay, basmati rice, guys, if you try it you will never go back. Okay, I just have to fry this for about 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, I'm frying my fried rice inside the coconut oil. Okay, for about 5 minutes. Okay, then I'm going to add in my chicken stock that I used to cook my chicken off camera. Okay, I'll add it in my chicken stock right now. Then I'll continue to fry this for about 5 minutes again. Okay, this is my new method of cooking fried rice. There are many ways you can cook your fried rice. It all depends on you. It all depends on what works for you. Okay, this method is very good, guys. It's very good. If you haven't tried this method, please try this method. Okay, now I'm going to add in my seasoning. What I have in that seasoning, I have my thyme, I have my no seasoning, and I also had my salt. Okay, I'll stir everything together and make sure I mix it very well. Then before I mix it very well, I'll add hot water. Okay, you don't want to use a lot of water for this rice, because basmati rice, it doesn't take a lot of time before it cooked. Okay, it doesn't need a lot of time. Okay, I'll just stir it together and mix it very well and make sure the seasoning is well incorporated with the rice. Okay, as you can see, I will stir it together. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much everyone for your amazing support. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love that you guys are showing me on this channel. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And to all my new subscribers, you guys are amazing. And all to all my amazing followers on Facebook, also you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all the love and the support. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is time for me to fry the vegetables. Okay, I have a mixed vegetable that I will be using for this fried rice. Now in another pot I'll add coconut oil. As I said earlier, we are going to be using coconut oil for this fried rice. You can use vegetable oil, you can use olive oil. It all depends on you, but try coconut oil, guys. The aroma is so yummy, it's so tasty. Okay, voiceover. Okay, first of all, before I fry my vegetable, I'll first of all go ahead and fry my shrimps. Okay, I will be using shrimps for this fried rice. You can use liver, you can use gizzard, you can use beef. It all depends on you. Okay, you just have to be creative. Okay, I will be using shrimps. Okay, now I'm still going to fry my shrimps with coconut oil, as you can see. And I'm adding in my seasoning. I'm adding my Goya all-purpose seasoning. I make sure I fry it for about 5 minutes. Okay, because this shrimp is a pre-cooked shrimp. Okay, it's already been cooked before. Okay, I will just fry it um till they are ready. Then I'll take it out. Then with that same pot, okay, don't use another pot, use the same pot. I add in a more coconut oil. We are using coconut oil. Okay, I added in my diced onions, then I one habanero pepper. Okay, I love it spicy. Okay, if you are Africa, thank God my kids they love spicy. I'm not afraid to use spice or pepper on my food. Okay, I just stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll stir fry that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add in my green bell pepper. Okay, that's a green bell pepper. I'll still going to stir fry this for about a minute or so. Please guys, I just want to say, please, if you watch this video, don't forget to like this video. Okay, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Your thumbs up means a lot. Okay, it helps YouTube to push out the videos. Okay, it helps YouTube to recommend the videos to other people. Please always hit that like button. Okay, now I'm adding in my mixed vegetables. Okay, you can use fresh vegetables. It all depends on you. It all depends on what you have. I'm using mixed vegetable. I'll just pour it inside, and I'll fry this. I'll cook this till the vegetables are ready. As you can see, I'll just continue to stir fry, to turn it around, to mix it, mix. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you guys. All I can say, thank you, thank you. This is new year, new beginning. I wish you all a happy new year. I wish you all the best in life. I wish you all your heart desire in Jesus' name. Now I'm just gonna add in my seasoning. The seasoning I have no seasoning. I have curry. I have thyme. That's what I just added to it. I will mix it together again. And I don't like to cook my vegetables so done. Okay, I like my vegetable whenever I cook my fried rice. I like my vegetable to be crunchy, because whenever I'm eating it, I have to feed that crunchiness on that vegetable. Okay, I have to feed the crunchiness. Okay, I keep stirring, because you have to stir. You don't want the pot to burn. After I fry this for about some minutes or so, then I'll add in my already fried shrimps. Okay, as you can see, then I'll mix everything together. At this point, guys, the aroma is already the kitchen is smelling so good. I wish you guys can perceive it through the phone, but unfortunately you cannot. Okay, just imagine. I'll stir this together. As I said earlier, you can use a gizzard for your fried rice. You can use liver. You can use beef. You can use whatever you have. Okay. Important thing is that the food tastes so good. That's all that matters. As far as the food tastes so good, it doesn't matter what you use to cook it. Okay. As you can see, I've stirred it together. Then I'll cook it. I like to cook till the vegetables ready. Before then, I'll add in my spring onions. I just sprinkle some spring onions. Okay. I'm just gonna stir again. It's all about the stirring, guys. You have to stir. Okay, you have to stir. Leave it in the comment section. Do you love cooking? Okay, are you a fan of cooking? As for me, I love cooking. Okay, because my kids love to eat um uh, uh, uh homemade food. Okay, homemade food. Okay, guys, now the vegetable is almost ready. As you can see the difference. The vegetable is almost ready. I'm still stirring, guys. I'm still stirring. Wetin man go do? You go stir now. It's another workout for me, guys. Cooking is another workout with your hands. Now the vegetable is ready. what I will do now, just add in my rice that's already be cooked. Okay, you know I told you guys basmati rice doesn't take a lot of time. Okay, you have to be careful the amount of water you use to cook your basmati rice. Okay, then I will just I took half of the vegetable aside, then I added my rice, then I will stir fry this together. I will just fry this together, mix it together till the vegetable and the rice they all marinate together, they all mix together, they all jam together, as you can see, as you know. Just mix it together, mix it together, mix, stir it together, stir it together, let them gum to each other. Okay. Oh my goodness. As you can see, the color is popping. The color is popping. This rice was so good. Okay, it tastes so yummy. My kids was like, "Mommy, oh my, mommy, this rice is so good." They keep asking for more. Like, we almost ate everything that day. Normally, when I cook fried rice, at least you still have maybe 2 to 3 days to finish the rice. But I don't even know how long that this rice took. It did not even, let me say, the next day the rice is already was all gone, because the, like, if you haven't tried your fried rice with coconut oil, guys, go and try it. Okay, go and try it. Go and try using coconut oil for your fried rice. Okay, the aroma, the taste is so, it's so different. And the basmati rice too, it tastes so, I don't know, there's something about basmati rice, it tastes so also different. Okay, it tastes so different. Now I keep stirring, guys. We are still stirring. You make sure everything is well incorporated. We are making sure that everything is well mixed together. The rice is ready, guys. Then I'm gonna eat serve this with some fried chicken and fried fish that I did off camera. Guys, look at this pot, okay? Look at this pot of goodness. That's it, guys. The food is ready. We are ready to eat. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. I love you guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye. One love. Keep us together. Bye, everyone.